What's up, guys? I am back here again. I got a new mic, so if my voice sounds different, that is probably why. I'm going to be trying to fish and try to go fishing for some minnows in my creek. Now, squirrel season and all that is over, but that just means that hickory chicken will be starting to come up here pretty soon, which is just mushrooms, by the way, if anybody doesn't know that. And fishing is going to be it's going to start ramping up. Now, I ain't got nothing in this creek except for like, I don't know, like minnows or something. That's about it. But it is flooded. And I want to see if I can get anything. But first, let's see if there's any kind of tracks. Oh, there's broken glass. That's awesome. There is where I actually had a live trap set a couple months ago, but I didn't catch nothing. But I'm gonna go and get my fishing post. I want to see if I can catch any minnows. Okay. This is going to be tough because I can't remember what was the last poe that I strung, or that has string on it. See, I would pick this poe but for one, it ain't strung, and two, I don't think there's gonna be catfish in my creek. Okay, just got string in it. I don't think any of these have string in it. I don't think any of these have string in them. Really? I should probably get that. Where do you think you're going? Sorry, there's where you're going to stay. So I did find a fishing pole, but I also need to get bait. And the only way I can think of getting bait is by getting worms. So I'm going to check under my dog's like water bowl. And I'm going to use this to put them in. Done. Let's see if I can find any worms. Let's see if I can find any worms. I'm going to look at my dog's under a water bowl. Got any worms? Huh? See, it actually looks like your water. Oh no, it wasn't. I thought it was frozen for a minute. I see no worms. Jackpot. Looked under this garbage bin and found tons of worms. Look at that. Everywhere. Thought I was gonna have to use corn or something. I could probably use a grub too. There you go. Well, I'd say it should be enough. Tight fit. So I'm gonna see what I can catch on this pole I've had for a couple years. That kind of sucks. And in a flooded creek that's got nothing but minnows in it. Might be a few bluegill, but just have to see. Oh, that ain't good. My button got stuck. That's not good. Oh. normal. Oh, wow. That, it doesn't reel either. Picked the perfect bow to use. I'm going to put a bobber if I have one. Okay. Now it's time for a worm. All my worms escaped. It's a problem. Oh, wait. I see one. I think he was going, buddy. Huh? Okay, it's time to go. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Got it caught on the stick immediately. Oh, here we go. What the heck, dude? Got it caught in the same stick again. And I guarantee I lost more, dude. Oh no, I got it. There we go. I'm currently getting nothing. Uh-oh. I hooked my shoe. It's not going good. Well, I think whenever your reel completely pops off, I think you got something bad going on. Well, I'm gonna go throw some knobs, I guess. So, I'm back. And, well, to not make this video entirely completely boring, I actually bought out a couple of throwing knives and hatchets. And, I'm gonna see if I can get them. Ready? Oh yeah, before I do this, just so you know, manual review or whatever, I am over 18 years old and a trained professional. There's no child endangerment in this, so I'm complying with guidelines. Oh, it's stuck in the ground. Oh, it's stuck in the ground. That sucked. Let's get the tomahawk. That sucked. Let's get the tomahawk. How do you even do that? How do you actually even do that? How do you even do that? How do you actually even do that? Left hand throw. Are you kidding me? My non-dominant hand hit better than my dominant hand. Well, if one of these knives don't break by the end of this, I'm gonna be quite surprised. Left hand throw. Are you kidding me? My non-dominant hand hit better than my dominant hand. Well, that sucked, dude. Bruh. That sucked, dude. Bruh. Told you one of the knives was gonna break this time. I knew it. One of the knife's handles just broke off. I already knew that one of them was cracked and had a weak spot in it, but I knew it was any time before I broke it, and I did. That kind of sucks, but hey, old knives, they're gonna break eventually, I guess. So now we're going to see if a $100 K-bar will throw enough. Do I have this on? Oh, I just turned my GoPro off. That kind of sucks. I got to wait a long time. There you go. Again, a $100 K-bar throw enough. Did better than the other knives. This is probably like super dangerous or something. I ain't doing that no more. So, why is the lighting so bad? Okay, there you go. So, as I suspected, I did break the handle of my throwing knife. If one of these knives don't break by the end of this, I'm gonna be quite surprised. As you can see, it was already cracked, so I knew it was gonna happen sometime. There's a crack starting right through here, crack starting right through here, and it just happened to hit, I guess, the side, and it shattered like that. There was actually, this is not the first time this has happened. This is the second. This was a pack of 3, an old pack that my dad had, and I broke one, and so I kind of knew that. And then I got a crack in the other, so I kind of knew what was coming next. These knives, they have been thrown for about like 10 years. Like they've been constantly thrown for 10 years, so they're gonna break eventually. The hatchet I was using though, I actually was really impressed. It's the only thing I got to stick, and it was actually for the left-handed throw of all things. But it was one that actually came in a cheap Walmart survival pack, so that's nice. But I tried to go fishing. It didn't work. I broke my fishing pole. You got something. I broke 2 things today, so that's wonderful. Another wonderful thing is my electricity's out for some reason. I don't know why. Probably because of the high winds, honestly. My electricity's out for some reason. I don't know why. So that's awesome. But yeah, this will be the end of the video. This is going on the second channel. If you haven't, which I know you're going to be seeing it on here in the second channel, but I'm currently suspended up for my first channel, so yay. And I'm actually thinking about rebranding. I think about making the first channel a gun review only channel, or the first channel I started that's 40 subscribers currently, a gun review channel, and making this one more of an outdoor channel. That would help with things. I needed 2 separate channels anyways, one for guns, one for outdoors. Or maybe I shouldn't stop doing gun reviews altogether, which I actually might, because YouTube doesn't like gun reviews. Kendall Gray had to delete his gun YouTube channel, or at least delete all those gun videos on his YouTube channel because he almost got banned permanently off of YouTube because of just posting guns. So, thing happened to him, has pull, basically. If you don't know what that means he has traction in the YouTube community. He almost has 2 million subscribers. He makes YouTube lots of money, and they just want to delete him off like that, then they're definitely going to do it to me when I only have 40 subscribers. So, that's something to think about. They may even delete this video because the knives and axes being thrown. I don't know, even though I'm, not a child. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go and probably go to bed. Wait for electricity to come back in. There was a major storm that came in the other day, and electricity was out for like 3 days. So I'm kind of sick of the electricity being out. But I'll see you guys next time.